Second, yung lower is we hate. Okay. Then, mag-brainstorm na kayo.
Hindi po sumaya, mag-isa po sa unahan. Miss Tony Miranda. Thank you so much.
So our question is, do you love pursuing or you hire the right people whose values are sing with purpose, meeting deadlines.
Up. Bye everyone. Up and down.
The lifestyle. Why? Look up. LEAD. Do we choose which one every month? No. We need all of this. We love. So nasa hate yan. Alright? Okay. That's
communication.
Ang haba yung okay. O, palamahan natin ang ay, sandali. Thank you. Thank you. Compress kasi yung camera. 1, 2, 3. Sandali nga. Sure you have. Mukhang gumagawa. Thank you for sharing your legacy. Okay. Does it feel good sharing how you want to be? Bullet words only. Keep your eyes.
More big deep breaths.
We hate. Okay. Then mag-brain. Products that enhances beauty. Nasa 1.199 ka na. Ka ba? Talent-based online or offline? Ang tanong, right. Really, that's so much inspired to see your teammate or it's just like, alam na naman siya. Process-oriented, tapos pinupush mo siya magmadali. Apat okay, use pala yung pangalawang video ng isa. Siyang banda umisa at nagugulan. Bawal sila.
Sa loob ng piso, masaya. Masaya, may isa bang drawing kayo ng it's like a pang-aba ba? May
okay, this will be the brief natin.
Bawal po yan, tumalikod ka.
That's 3.
Gumawa ng pyramid doon sa taas ng box.
I-capsulize yung paano nila maiintindihan.
So, hindi ko alam kung paano nila maiintindihan yung instruction.
This time, ituro naman natin laging late. Let's now go to awareness and I believe ito yung isa sa mga and a happy new year. I'm going to present to you one chart and assess. You're just counting how many circles you have for study oriented kasi mukha sila nagmamadali. Tendency silang ma-distract. Sila yung highlight na the else validation. You don't want to take for granted the value that they have. And is you are able to express your assessments. Yan, ganyan. Ano to? Finally, wala na. Ay! 1, 2, ito pa! Okay, puso! Okay, after that, ituro na katabi purpose. 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. Kaya na sila. Alright, clap for 6 yan ha. So, okay, thank you. With a smile, you have remember your legacy as a beautiful orchestra. Okay. Be unstoppable. Rise what? Rise with purpose and SOP multipliers. All right. Your product. Alright?
How do we accept ourselves? How to be accept us pag na-reject kami?
Is prepare. Prepare first why you will be rejected. Yun mo na. So when you
We had news. Today, we learned a lot from you. Thank you for sharing.
What strikes me the most is her testimony.
Encouraging me, especially the testimony of her life and how the
So blessed, I'm so grateful, I'm so happy that I've learned a lot. So thank
Namin tatanggapin yung sarili namin kung paano namin
ano siya, may deliver na maayos sa pag-usap. My instruction how to use it. Thank you.
Wala sol.
Laki.